G'day, Rick from Reno Warriors. Our company specialises in getting homes ready for sale. So we're going to take this 1970s build, we're going to fast forward it 4 decades. We're going to get rid of the features that still remind you of the 1970s, and we're going to bring it to today. The tiles here are just old 1970s again. So we're lucky here, we've got floorboards underneath. So we're going to take these tiles up and we're going to polish the board. They'll look fantastic. The kitchen. So we're going to take that kitchen out and we're going to replace it with a nice high gloss white with new appliances and with the polished boards. Brand new kitchen, brand new appliances, enough room in here. We'll extend this out actually. We're going to extend that out to that line where the architrave is, so it will actually increase the footprint of the kitchen and we'll be able to fit in a dishwasher into here. We're going to get rid of this arc here. We're going to square set it across here. All this wallpaper goes. This will be nice and square. If we come through here, the dining room, again, the wallpaper will go with a nice white paint. The wallpaper will go, nice white paint. Put an LED downlight here, brings it up to now. This archway will take out, we'll square set it. We'll still have this, but we'll square set it because we want the rooms to be different. So that's a dining room, and this is a lounge. We can actually keep the separation, but we'll square set it and make it look lovely. What we're doing over here is we've got something what is an old bar. We're going to change that. We're going to square set this and we're going to plaster it at the back there. So it's going to be a wall of plaster there. And we're going to turn this area into a study nook. So we'll set you up with a nice little desk, a laptop, and there's your little nook. If you come over here, we'll show you the bathroom. And in the bathroom, we've got the classic colours of purple, but we're going to change this. We're going to actually take this archway out completely. We're actually then going to run the ceiling straight through, corners going around. You won't see it, it'll be just a nice open area. And we'll spray the bath to a gloss white. So this lovely old bath, we don't need to take it out, we'll actually spray it. When you see the after, you'll be blown away on how good it is.
To my left, 40 if you'd like. That's $720,000. I'm gonna call it 3 times. That's $720,000. Both of you, sir. 730, the bid straight over there, across the road, and to my right, that's 730, 40, for 92, 93 if you'd like. Quick, that's 792. I'm gonna keep calling it 3 times until we get to 800 by the sound of things. That's 792. We're confused. 792. First, second, first. Final time, last chance, all done. Artie, quick, another 1,000, 792 the bid, 3 if you'd like. For Sam Robin Ford, ladies and gentlemen, we should give a big round of applause because at $792,000, we are selling. We are selling. We have sold. Congratulations. Welcome to the neighborhood. Great purchase. Commiserations on the bidders. Looking forward to securing this property in the very near future. Thank you for attending the Prime Real Estate Auction.